Hi everybody, I am Dr. Brad Dieter. I was one of the subject matter experts for the National Academy of Sports Medicine's CNC course, and today I just wanted to bring you guys a little bit of a video of how to prep a really easy breakfast the night before. So for those of you who have very busy schedules, you have to get up and get to work first thing in the morning and you don't have a lot of time to cook, this is a really easy way to prep something the night before that you can just grab and go. So basically I'm going to walk you through a little bit of what's here and what we're going to be making. So this is overnight oatmeal. And basically we have a half a cup of just quick cooked dry oats. We have a half a cup of milk. This can be anything from regular 2% whole milk to a non-dairy alternative, something like almond milk or soy milk. Just about a half a cup works. I have a tablespoon of ground flax seeds right here. I have a scoop of whey protein powder. This is just a vanilla whey protein. I've got a half a teaspoon of maple syrup, and I have about a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And so basically what we're going to do is we're just going to combine these together and we're going to let them sit overnight, and then in the morning you can just grab it out of the fridge and you can take it and go. So I usually just take a half a cup of the oatmeal and I just add it to a bowl, and then I will add in the milk, and then I will add in the protein powder. Now this kind of can depend a little bit upon the milk and the oatmeal, but I'll add most of the scoop. This is probably about 20 grams of protein. I'll kind of stir this all together just to mix it all up. And then sometimes if I need to add a little more milk just to make it the right consistency, I will, but generally about a half a cup works. So I'll get this all stirred up. And once it's all stirred, I'll just take a couple seconds. This usually takes about 2 minutes to make overall. Once it's all stirred, I will go ahead and I will pull the spoon out. And sometimes there's a little bit left on the spoon, and I'll just put that in the sink. And then I will just put the ground flaxseed right on top. I will put the cinnamon on top. I'll make sure not to spill it. So I'll just pour this over the top of the oatmeal. And then I will also just pour in the maple syrup on top. Kind of drizzle that around. That'll just give it a little bit of sweetness without a lot of calories, right? Maple syrup is one of the more sweeter flavorings, so you don't need a lot of it. And then I will just put the lid on it, and then I just stick it in the fridge, and then it's ready to grab and go. So something like this generally has somewhere in the neighborhood of 40 grams of carbohydrates, about 25 grams of protein, and then usually about 3 to 4 grams of fat, just depending on how much flaxseed I put in there and what type of milk I use. So that's a really quick, easy breakfast that you guys can make at any time, and you can grab it and on the go. So hope that was helpful, and we'll see you guys next time.